Meet DeepEX 2D, your powerful companion for the design and analysis of deep excavations. Design excavations faster. Analyze complex soil structure interaction with confidence. And deliver reliable engineering results without wasting time on complicated workflows. Engineering software should help you move faster, not slow you down. DeepEX features a graphical, interactive interface with model wizards and integrated voice commands that help you generate complete geotechnical models in seconds. Instead of spending hours building models manually, you can focus on evaluating solutions and making better engineering decisions. At the core of DeepEX is the powerful 2D excavation design engine. With it, you can quickly design and analyze common support systems such as cofferdams and bulkheads, anchored excavations with tiebacks or helical anchors, deep excavations with internal struts, deadman wall systems, and many other retaining structures used in real-world projects. This flexibility allows you to model nearly any excavation scenario you encounter in practice. DeepEX allows you to define and analyze a wide range of retaining wall systems, including soldier pile walls, secant pile walls, sheet pile walls, concrete diaphragm walls, and many more. Structural sections can be selected directly from built-in databases, including steel beams, pipe sections, sheet piles, and reinforcement libraries, helping you move from concept to design quickly and accurately. One of the biggest challenges in geotechnical engineering is choosing the right analysis method for each project. DeepEX gives you access to 3 powerful analysis approaches in the same environment. Limit equilibrium analysis for fast and reliable stability checks, nonlinear analysis to evaluate realistic soil structure behavior, and finite element analysis for detailed deformation and stress assessment. Having all 3 methods in a single tool allows you to compare results directly, validate your assumptions, and select the approach that best fits your project requirements. With the optional 2D finite element module, DeepEX also allows you to design and analyze tunnels and underground utility lines. This expands the software beyond excavation support, helping you evaluate complex underground infrastructure projects. DeepEX brings structural design and geotechnical analysis together in one platform. The software supports a wide range of international design codes and standards, including U.S. codes such as OSHTU LRFD, AISC, and ACI, Euro codes, Canadian standards, Australian codes, Indian codes, Chinese standards, and many more. This allows you to design projects confidently while meeting regional regulatory requirements. Beyond excavations, DeepEX also helps you design and analyze additional geotechnical structures, including gravity-retaining walls, pile abutments, mechanically stabilized earth walls, and key walls, including automatic calculation of wave pressures. DeepEX can also automatically
with a basement
optimize
or
your
something
model.
else.
The software can adjust wall dimensions, support systems, tunnel linings, and support
In
locations,
general,
helping
what
you
we want to
identify more
design
efficient and
for
economical solutions.
is we want to
Once your
water
design is
infiltration from
complete,
as far
DeepEX
as I
helps you
know,
communicate
from
results clearly.
a cracked
You can generate
sewer,
detailed PDF reports,
as well
including
as very
structural
short
check equations and engineering
improper soil properties
calculations,
again.
and export model sketches directly to DXF for easy integration into your
I'm
design
going to open
workflow.
up.
Book a meeting with our experts and experience firsthand how DeepEX can help you solve complex geostructural challenges and deliver better designs faster.